Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 29th of August 2022, where I feature some of the best games, creations and everything created in Unity. Do check out my Patreon to get access to over 160 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else, and check out all the links in the description for all the best savings in game dev, Unity and so much more. So we have Saharan, where you can take a shower and scoop the water. CloneApp has an optimized way to create 3D models of your food dishes. Happy Juice Games has got the launch of Lost in Play, which is their whimsical puzzle adventure. Alan B. Dev has got Ragdoll Fish. Effort Star has got a new character for the selection screen with some cool gameplay. One Drop Games has got many years of late nights, early mornings with a final release. Ziva Dynamics releases their face trainer, which is machine learning capable, which is capable of training any face mesh to perform complex expressions. Anoza_world has got toon shading, lots of post-processing effects and 2D animations. The Joker 89 has made a fully destructible, procedural generated camp. Matt White Dev has got Ghost Song, which has their brand new trailer. Jacob Dzwinel has got Fight Night Express. Wenzy has got Test 583 of some AI which can spell out the words that you type. Raid-Off Dev has been creating a map editor which will help you design levels for the player too. Hussman Music, it's taken him all week, but he's now got dynamic seasons. Hafty Hadef has got an RTS-like unit selection, which is a script which is fully open source. whereas Sydney has got a brand new, awesome looking environment. Conf Blue has been painting reusable terrain chunks and has got loads of awesome action here. Zoomoo's has got a physics-based drone that follows around objects. The Milk Lake has finally got a working mocap solution. Here's a neural character controller trained entirely on motion recorded in his apartment. St. Drunks has got a modular road asset which is now free, so you can build cities, tracks and so much more. Minions Art has been playing with some stylized lightning particles. So thank you so much for checking out Made with Unity for this week, and be sure to check them out all in the description. Be sure to come and join me on Patreon to get access to over 160 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Come and join me on Discord and check out my great assets on the Unity Asset Store, including massive savings on my website. And a big thank you to all my patrons, including Peter Steiner, Hoglan Naigan, Raheem Whittaker, Jean Pomu, Manas Berakas, Terence Conrad, Gage Linston, Walter Dunson, Joseph Newman, Rene Leisure, Topher Chambers, Kreshnik Halili, Christian Selent, Benjamin Shankel, Alex Shen, Alyssa Faden, Daniel Getterjank, LeBrons, Stephen Mormon, Rob Winkle, BJ Pickles, Binto Kebino, Ishikawa Takuya, Valentine Doll, Sammy, Saltamakia, and Ron J. And thank you to everybody else who comes to watch the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.